how to log in to your Jetblue account. Now this is really simple guys. So first what you need to do is open up your web browser. After you open your web browser, search for Jetblue login. After you do that, on the top option you'll see a sign in option. Just go to that link, and after you go to that link you can see the sign in page load up. Now here you can see you need to type in your email and then your password. Now be sure to type in your correct email, and after you've typed in your email, what you can do is you can just type in the password and just tap on sign in, and then you'll be able to log in. Now in any case you have forgotten your password, there is an option to reset your password too, but if you remember it, just type in your email and your password and then sign in, and then you'll be logged in into your Jetblue account. So that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.